In Tulika Art Center, Teacher Student Connect program is on today, on Sunday. And we have with us today Palak Shah. Palak being again a very old student of Tulika Art Center. She was very small, young child when she used to come. And then she was in school. Then she went to college. She continued to be with Tulika Art Center with various courses. And today we have Palak with us, and we will wait for her. We will wait for her to join, and we will see that you will be knowing Palak very well. Our conversation will go on for an hour, and in that 1 hour, we will tell you what is our main agenda, what is our talk to be with Palak, like what she is doing, what is her interest, what kind of activities she is having throughout the year. And we will wait for Palak. Palak, you are there, but I will just wait for others to join in. Then I will invite you. So Palak and her mother both have come to Tulika Art Center, and they have made quite beautiful paintings. Both of them are very, very artistic. And since we are talking to Palak today, I wonder I should invite her mother also in next couple of weeks. So you will see both how mother and daughter both in one house, how they are creating lovely projects. They are doing so much in art, so much in craft, so much in other activities. So it is really very, very interesting. And when we have Palak with us, now we can invite her, and we will talk to her. Also, we will know that what are her right now, what is happening in her life, what is she doing other than pursuing art, craft, painting, drawing. Also, she is a dancer. She is a lovely dancer of Kathak, and if you see her dance clips, they are so mesmerizing. So they are so beautiful. So one has to understand and see her. So here I am going to invite Palak, and she will be with us within a minute. So let's wait for Palak. There she is.
Hello.
Hello, Palak.
Hi. How are
Can you
you?
hear me?
Yes, I can.
How lovely, how lovely. You're looking so beautiful
Thank you.
that you are
You
always.
too.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
And I see something very beautiful behind you also. What is
Oh,
that?
yes.
That's
That's a
our
painting which,
painting.
yes, that's a painting what we have made together.
Oh, this is what you did in our
Yeah.
center. Oh,
Yes.
wow, that's nice. I'm so happy to
Yeah.
see this. You really made it so well. I remember you have taken so much pain to do this painting, Palak.
Yeah.
And I think that time you had your exam, if I
Yeah.
remember it rightly.
Yeah.
You had taken a small break,
I had
correct?
my 10th board exams, and that time I just wanted to make a painting. I wanted to break. So I thought of
You
painting, and this is jute painting. It took
okay?
about 6 months
6 months
to
to
make.
complete, because definitely
Yeah,
because of your exam also you had to study. But
yeah.
really, hats off to you. You did it so well. I
Thank
remember
you.
your hard work.
Thank
Sometimes we
you.
had to change because we didn't like what we have done. And
Yeah.
Palak, we have quite a few people like our friends. We have Swati with us. Hello, Swati. Nice that you joined. Hina Gandhi is saying hi to you. See, most of these
Hi.
people,
Yeah.
other our students also know you, Palak.
Yes, ma'am.
The reason is this, that even you have to our art center for, I'm sure, many years now. and most
Yeah.
of them had done some courses or the other where you were also involved. You were also there,
Yeah. Yeah.
right?
I remember, yeah.
So that's why they are saying hello to you.
Hello,
So you can
everybody.
say hello to everybody. There,
Yeah.
Swati is saying hello.
Hi.
So yeah, this is what
Yeah.
interesting. And
Yeah.
I want to tell you one thing, Palak, that when I see your clippings of your dance, you are so mesmerizing. They are so
Thank
beautiful.
you.
Your steps, you are absolutely in command.
Thank you so
Your
much.
tal,
It means a lot.
yeah. So I really like it. We'll talk about that later. Let us see,
Yeah.
like what you have to say about your life.
Okay. Well, so first of all, right now I am studying psychology and it's my
Okay,
last year of graduation. Um, Also, I love cooking, then dancing, and I do like to paint also. Like it's my like it's a way to go. Like if I'm if I'm like very bored or like I don't have a mood, so painting really makes my mood, and I love colors. So that's the
okay,
best part about it. Yeah.
lovely. That's nice.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
what colors you like?
Yellow, that's my favorite color. It's so
Yellow.
vibrant and
Okay.
yeah, yeah. So yellow is so vibrant and obviously I love the sun. So yeah, yeah,
So that is something nice to know that what color you like. Yeah,
yeah,
yellow. That's my favorite also. I
yeah.
love
That's nice.
whenever I go and buy some clothes or dresses or sarees. First, I look for
Yeah.
yellow. Then,
Well,
when my Didi was there, she used to always tell me, "Now you have so many yellows. Every time you go and buy
yeah,
yellow." So today I
yeah,
made it a specially that I'm not wearing anything red, yellow. I'm wearing green.
yeah,
so
yeah,
so otherwise even my students, my friends, they also tell me
yeah,
every time Didi yellow, every time red. So I said no, today I'm going
yeah.
to wear green.
More towards the warm colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
So anyway, so you are studying psychology. Yeah. So you can
yes.
say about this that why you've chosen this field, why you've
That's
chosen
an
this subject.
yeah, that's an interesting question, by the way. So I was in school that time, and it was I think ninth grade, and that's when I used to see counselors in my school. So I used to wonder what do they do because many of my friends used to go, and sometimes even I also used to go. Yeah. So then I asked my counselor like, what made you take this decision? Like, why would you like be a counselor? And then she told me like her reasons to also. And then I just felt that yes, I think even I'm also inclined towards this field. The first thing is that I am empathetic, like I can understand someone's emotion very quickly. So I
Okay.
felt that maybe I could go in this field. And then later on for 11th, 12th, I went for arts, and then I was firm enough that I want to do psychology. I want to bring some change in a person's life if I can do that. So, and then later on, I did my BA. I'm still doing it's my last year and
Okay.
following the path.
Lovely.
So,
That's nice.
yeah,
But so
yes.
during this, even when you are studying, are you helping someone? Like, are you doing something to help others? Like, you are trying that way.
Yes, I do try. So the first thing is that psychology is all about life. So this is the only subject which will teach you life skills.
Okay.
So yes, so I feel that eventually, like I have been studying psychology from past 5 years now, and trust me, like it has made me evolve. My personality has really changed over the years, and I can see the difference. So when we study psychology, first, so it is more of a theory. So what we do is we need to understand the concepts, but then you have to implement those concepts on yourself. If there is a change in us, or maybe in a good way or a bad way, like it could be anything, the change. And then later you can practice on someone else. So the
Mm-hmm.
first step towards psychology is that you need to bring a change in yourself, and it's
So,
really help in life skills.
okay. So, I'll
Yeah.
interrupt you. So, what is the change? You can tell me that what you were, and any change I can
Okay.
understand that what happened, how you have changed. One or two points,
Okay.
like you can say.
Okay, so first, I used to like I am still a bit impatient. Not yeah, I am still a bit, but I'm sure that that over the years I have become a less impatient, and the best thing what I have changed, what I feel is my confidence level. So the
Okay.
self-esteem, yes, that's very important. Like my self-esteem from 10th grade till now, it's increased in a very nice and a very rapid growth has happened. So that's a main thing, because what I see nowadays is that people, if anything will happen, like for example, you have a fight, or you you don't like talk well with someone, so or like there are some other issues in the family or anything. So in that case, your self-esteem does go down a bit. That's so in that case, it's good that you try to work on it, and self-esteem is something which will help you everywhere in life. It shows
Mm-hmm.
who you are, your personality, how you uh, like like how you talk to people, and like many more things about it. So it
Okay.
tells something about you, who you are. That's more important. So
Lovely.
over the
But
years, my
actually,
confidence level has increased.
lovely.
Yeah,
Actually, Palak, I tell you that when you came in your 10th standard and you did
yeah,
that big painting, what is behind
yeah,
you,
yeah,
and I find a lot of change in you. Of course, with the age, you have matured.
yeah,
Some years have added to you. But
yeah,
as you say that you were very impatient when you did this, I had to sometime shout at you, say, Palak, wait, good
yeah,
painting will turn out very nice. Don't worry. But you were
yeah,
impatient.
yeah,
Now I remember. And I
yeah,
had to tell you always. And you, of course, you listened to me naturally. And yeah.
yeah,
But now, when you did the Lipan work with us in
yeah,
that workshop, I found you quite, cool. I should say
yeah,
peaceful. And you were doing everything very slowly, nothing or no impatience, very
yeah,
peaceful, lot of patience, and it turned out to be a very beautiful piece. I remember Jashreka Ben, Archana Ben joining in the same
yes,
group. They were also in the same workshop, and they had that absolutely appreciated your work.
yeah,
Remember that?
that's true. Yes, yes, I do
Yeah,
remember. Do you mind
yeah.
if I show the
So,
Lipin art painting?
oh, you have with you that Lipan
Yeah, I
to
do. Can
show.
I?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, sure. Yeah, please
Oh,
show
okay,
us.
that's great. Okay, so here it's this.
Oh, yes, really hard work. It was,
Yeah,
I tell you, and see, what is very important is that you have taken them in a perfect line. See, Jashreka Ben has just joined, so keep it on because she was there in this workshop and she will be
yeah,
able to see this. So this was, and this Lipan is absolutely real Lipan work we have done. So doing everything with hand, no cone, nothing, everything hand molded, and putting ablas inside. I'm sure Jashreka, when you remember this Palak's work. So there she was in the same workshop where you had also learned. Lovely Palak. Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
So I'm sure you have done this very well.
yeah.
Yeah. So anything more have you done? You want to show
Oh,
something
yes.
more of art?
Yeah, sure. I would like to show something. So, I have even done the dot mandala painting, as you can see over here.
Oh yes, you
So,
also did this workshop with us, Dot
yes,
Mandala.
yes, yes.
Yes, Palak. Yes, of course. I'm
Yeah,
sure people remember this, those who were there in same workshop. And
yeah,
lovely, very nice.
yeah.
Can you make it little closer so people to
Oh, yeah, sure,
can you show a
sure,
little more
sure.
closer?
Yes, of
Yes, see
course.
the work she has done. Absolutely perfect dots. Palak, it is easy
Yeah.
because, yeah, even see Jashreka Ben says even you were there in the same batch, same
Yeah.
workshop. See, but I can see your patience here. When
Yeah.
you do this dot mandala, if you are very cool, patient, then only you can do this beautiful work. Otherwise,
Yes,
people
ma'am.
just mess
Yeah.
it up. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm happy that you have preserved
Yeah.
everything very nicely.
Yeah, and just
Yeah.
one more thing I would like to show. So,
Okay.
I would like to mention first. So, what had happened? Like, I used to always be interested in jute painting and other creative forms of painting. But I used to see people doing canvas painting, and I'm like, I have to do this. I want to do this once at least. And then I went to ma'am, and I'm like, ma'am, let's try it once. Like, I want to do it with you.
Okay.
And then we made a yeah, and then we made landscape car painting. It was canvas
Oh,
painting. Yeah,
okay.
yes, and it turned out to be great, and I'm happy about it. So I would like to show. Here we go.
Oh,
So,
Palak, I had forgotten this. Absolutely. I
oh,
had
is
just
it?
forgot. I think you had got one other friend with you,
Oh,
and two of you had come, if I remember that.
yes, yes, that's true. That's very true.
Right?
Yeah,
Yes, and you did this also was very patiently you did it.
yeah,
See the water part, water body is looking so nice, even your trees, greenery. Lovely, Palak. I had forgotten about this.
yeah,
So this is
yeah,
nice, interesting. Yes.
yes.
So how did you like it? Your canvas painting you enjoyed?
Yeah, it was lovely, I must say. So again, this would even come in art therapy, if I'm not wrong, because
Huh.
again, colors do make us feel a bit better, and it makes us feel more relaxed when we do.
Yeah.
And me being a nature person, I would love this painting a lot.
Okay.
So yes,
Yeah, that's
it's
nice.
so it's close to my
Yeah.
heart. Yeah,
So
yeah,
when you start working after you finish your graduation, this art therapy
yes.
will be very interesting. You can
Oh
use
yes,
it
it is.
in your
Yes,
clinic
it
if you
is.
start,
Yeah, 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 yeah. It
right?
is. Yeah,
Yeah. For the counseling and all, art therapy is very interesting. Like
yeah. It
people
is.
will benefit from this therapy.
That's very
Yeah.
true.
So there you
Yeah.
have some friend or somebody saying proud of you, Palak. Yes, we are all
Oh
proud of
yes.
her.
Yeah. Thank you,
Yes.
Srishti.
And thank you very much
Yeah.
for all of you for joining. Because see, when people join and listen to us, then we feel encouraged. And
Yeah.
it's very nice that you all have
Yeah.
joined here. So Palak, what next? Like after all this painting and all, what all other hobbies you are pursuing?
Well, I'm more into Kathak and
Yeah,
psychology. That's there, and
yeah.
even painting. I like a lot. So that's the always been my hobby, and it will be ahead also.
Right.
So yeah, but morely I'm inclined towards psychology and Kathak. It's a
Okay.
dance. It's a dance form. So yeah.
Yeah.
So
But your
yeah,
dance, when did you start dancing?
when I was in sixth grade, that's when,
Okay.
yeah, so I had got an option of Kathak and jazz. And I will give all the, these things to like my mom. Like, so she told me that Palak, try doing Kathak and not jazz. So jazz I had done in the fifth standard. So she's like, try something new. And I'm like, okay, let's see how it works. I'm not sure. And then I started doing Kathak from the age of 12.
Age of 12.
And yeah, yeah. And then I have done the 7 levels of Kathak. And then recently I have joined Nalanda University for the diploma program.
Oh,
So, yes. So, yeah, and Kathak also makes me feel relaxed. Again, again, dance therapy, art therapy, all are, you know, uh, like, like it is all linked with psychology. So, yes,
yeah, all art forms. Yes,
yes, yes,
that's true. That's true.
yes.
So, and initially you were tired because there is a lot of practice one
Oh,
has to
yes,
do, and
yeah.
your feet have to be all the time moving. That's what
Yes,
I understand.
yes. So again, what happens in Kathak? In Kathak, there are three schools. So like we call them as gharanas. So there are three
Okay.
forms. So the
Okay.
first one is, yeah, so the first one is Jaipuri, second is Lucknowi, and third is Banarasi. So I
Okay.
come from the Jaipuri Gharana. So in Jaipuri Gharana, we mostly focus on the footwork. So the
Okay.
footwork is really, like it's very strengthful. So when you do the tatkar, tatkar means you are using your both the feet and trying to make the speed level high more of the feet. So and we more focus on the hand gestures. So the hand gestures have to be more of you know smooth, like a wave. It has to be like this, and like
Lovely.
yeah. So it should be more of creative and elegant. Yeah,
Okay.
and the second form, the Lucknowi goes, it's more of the hand gestures, and like just you sit sometimes and you dance. So there
Okay.
is not more of footwork involved in that. But
Okay.
but in Lucknowi Gharana, you will always see that there is a lot of sharam, laj, that kind of like like that. So it's too. I could say that like a lot of emotions in that, like too much. Whereas in Jaipuri Gharana, we mostly dance like we portray about the god and the goddesses, Radha, Krishna ji, or Shiv ji. It's more of god and goddess in the
Okay.
Jaipuri Gharana. Yes,
Okay.
yes,
And the
and
third one?
in yeah, and the third one is Banarasi Gharana. So there,
Yeah.
uh, it is more of known as Thumri dance. What you do, so you sit and you do the dance, like for the entire dance, you will be sitting and you will be dancing, showing your expressions, everything.
I
So
see.
yes,
Oh.
yeah,
So you had to choose, or the
no, it's
teacher who
not
was
like
from
that.
Jaipuri Gharana, that's why you are into that.
Exactly, yes, that's true.
Right.
Yes,
So you are happy that I'm sure all the Gharanas have their own style
yeah, yeah,
and they
yeah,
all have their grace. And
yeah,
where you are, you will have to pursue the same one, I'm sure. Or you can
yeah,
switch over
yeah.
to others also.
We can't switch like that because so the thing is that if the teacher knows
Huh.
like if the teacher knows about that Gharana very well, then I can learn from her. But if I don't, so now when I've come to Nalanda University, they follow Jaipuri and Lucknowi mix.
Okay. So
Yeah,
you will learn
so
both.
in yes, like that. So both like it's different for the different teachers, institutes, how they teach.
I
Yeah.
see.
But I must say,
Oh.
all the dance forms, all the Gharanas are very nice. Very nice. So, yeah.
And one more thing, like the music part, they are same in for all Gharanas, or music part is also different?
No, they are same. So again, tal.
Same.
So in Kathak, we have the most significant tal. What we use is teen tal. That is
Okay.
yeah. So that is a tal we use. So again, when a tabla player is playing that tal, they will always go with
Yeah.
teen tal. So again, the
Okay.
tabla and the people who are dancing Kathak, unka jodi will be very nice because like yeah. So because they also use
Okay.
teen tal, we also so teen tal is our base. It's like a pillar.
Okay.
Yeah. So teen tal consists of 16 matras.
Okay.
Yeah,
Huh.
वैसे and then you have many other tals,
Okay.
so like that. So yes, we do follow different tals, and it depends on which Gharana you are. But teen tal is this, it's this constant tal what we use in all the three Gharanas.
Okay.
So yeah,
So, Palak, can you show some, you can sit and show
yeah,
something to us, like your expressions or your hand movements? Because I can't
oh
ask you to
yes,
dance. It will be very difficult for us
yeah,
to even stop.
yeah,
You know,
yeah,
once you start dancing, we will not be
yeah,
able to stop watching you. So,
yeah,
can you show us
sure.
something?
Oh yes, I can. So maybe I could start with the hand gesture if you want to see that. Can I?
Yes, yes,
All right. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
With hand
So
gesture and whatever else you can show sitting there.
Okay,
and
all
let people
right. So,
understand what you are showing.
oh,
That
okay,
what
yeah,
is what
sure.
the hand gesture means.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So, so first I'll just start with normal, how we start like dancing Kathak. So what
Huh.
we do is so first of all, this is known as Arala. This is the main gesture of Kathak what we use. So this is known as
Okay.
Arala. Okay. And so both the hands will be like this,
Okay. Mudras. Yeah.
and yeah, yes, these are the mudras,
Yeah.
and we keep it over here like this, if you can
Huh.
see. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in the starting, it's very important that how you move your hand, because the
Okay.
like this dance is mainly with your hand gestures and your expressions. Obviously footwork does play an important role, but if your hand is like this or it's like this in your dancing, you not like it. You want it to be more of elegant look. Like when I'm doing like this, it has to have that smoothness. So that will come eventually once you start practicing.
Okay.
So yeah. So
Right.
when we start like this, when when I started my Kathak, what the first thing what I had learned was have to rotate, have to move your hand. So what we
Hmm.
do is we keep our hands over here like this, and like this we move, and the kalai, okay, yeah, and the kalai has to move very swiftly, and then we again come down. So we take it up, we do like this, I again take it down, I look at my hand, and I bring it back over here.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, and there are many more mudras. Like if I have, have to explain, then I can do that. So
Yeah.
this
You
is
can
known
show.
as
No, it's very
pataka.
interesting. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is
Huh.
pataka. Pataka
Okay.
means flag. Yeah.
Okay.
Then you have three pataka, three parts of a flag, the colors. Then ardha pataka, kartari mukha means scissor. Then mushti, shikhara. This is the peak of the mountain, like that. So you have many such mudras. So these all mudras we will use for the dance form.
Okay.
So whenever I am dancing, if I want to show a shivling
Huh.
of Shivji,
Shivling.
so
Huh.
yeah, so this is pataka,
Huh.
and now I will keep this pataka hand also like this, and so this is the shank. This is
Oh,
a
I
shank.
see.
This
Ah.
could be a shivling. So this is shikhara, and this is pataka. So I keep
Ah.
my this hand below, and I keep this hand on it. So it becomes
Oh.
shivling.
Okay.
Or and this would even mean that a person is dominant, or the person is the head of the house. So we even use these mudras for that also, if you
All
want to
right.
show that. Yeah. So and
Lovely.
again, yes, and again in Kathak we do have something known as gadbhav. Like we do tell stories. So Kathak is mainly, so how did this term Kathak come? So
Huh.
there were a few people who used to tell stories to everyone. Okay, so their name was Kathakars, and that's how Kathak came into existence. Then later on, they used to talk, and they used to dance. So then they used to convey the story in the dance form.
Okay.
Yes. So
Oh.
that's how the term Kathak came into existence due to
Acha.
Kathakars. Yes.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So mainly Kathak is more about storytelling and how you portray what you want to say, what is in your mind. If right now I do like this, means I'm angry. So those emotions I can always show. If I'm like, I'm happy, I'm smiling, I'm like, I'm sad. So
So
these all
nice.
emotions, so these all
Lovely.
emotions,
Lovely. So
yeah,
there are the only three emotions, or there are some more emotions?
so there are 9 emotions in
Okay.
total.
So can
And
you show
again,
some
oh
some more?
yeah, sure. Yeah, so again, so this is the Shringar. You trying to dress up, you trying to get ready. So, and I'm sure this all women will want, like this is the main go-to place, you know, like Shringar, it makes us like a woman, like it, yeah.
It's
Then
must for
Veer,
yeah,
yeah, it is. Veer, Veer means
Vedas.
victory. Yeah,
Huh.
Veer,
So
Veer.
what is that?
So,
How you will
so
show?
you're like, you know, like you have that
Take.
pride in you. Yeah. So your head, your chin is up, and you are some, you know, like you know that you have this victory, and you like when you will see, for example, Lakshmanji, he also used to have that look. So yes, and then you have Shanta. Shanta
Huh.
means quiet, peace. So like just straight,
Okay.
no smile, nothing. You're just in your own peace.
Okay.
So
All
yeah.
right.
So
Nice.
yeah. So whenever you see Ramji, if matlab, like in like when you even read books about them, you will always see that he was very calm, Shant.
Okay.
That thing, like the face, like the facial expression was much kind of like Shanta and relaxed. So yes, and then you have Adbhut, means wow, like you are surprised. So, huh? Like you are very happy to see someone, or like something very surprising. It could be anything. So when you see like someone bought a gift for you, you'll be like, wow, it's so nice. You would be so happy. So in that form, you can use Adbhuta. And then yeah, then we have something known as um, Vichitra, which means it's like kind of disgusting. You would not want to see it. You'd be like, what is this? So you'd be like like your eyebrows will come together, and you'd be like, no, like that. So you have such emotions, and you have to portray them while you're dancing, and it really helps. So what I have learned is actually that these 9 navrasas, they do really help in real life also. Like I'm sure we all have those 9 personalities in us, and it really plays a big importance.
Jashrika Ben is asking, can you show some different Naikas?
Oh,
I don't know. I'm not sure about this dancing and all. So,
yeah. Oh, okay. The like love as in what? Like if she's more specific about it, I would know.
uh, uh, I think in this Shringaras ke baad you can show love also. Is there one more? This is
Yeah.
there
So
expression.
no. So again, Shringaras mein you even have a part of love, and you do have a part of getting dressed up, and
Okay.
just yeah. So that is there. Like Shringaras goes hand in hand with love.
So Shringaras will
Yeah.
have the expressions as well as the hand movements.
So again, like now for example, I want to do Shringaras. So maybe I'm wearing a nice jewelry, like I'm wearing my necklace, I'm wearing bangles. When I'm looking, at the mirror and seeing, how do I look? And if someone is, for example, Radha and Krishna ji, so I'm sure like Radha ji and Krishna ji had a very good bonding, and it was a very pure and like a very nice bonding. So in that case, like the way Radha ji looks at Krishna ji, and how Krishna is like, so I'm sure that when you do Shringaras, eventually the love will come out. That whole expression will come out.
Okay.
So yeah, yes.
So what else you can show sitting?
Oh yes, so I had to tell this. So
Yeah.
so as I was talking about the storytelling in Kathak, so we do have something known as Kathpaus. So what is
Huh.
it? It is that you tell stories, but you enact, so you dance. So there are many famous ones. Like one is Makhan Chori, then Sita Swayamvar, when Sita, is about to get married, but before that, all the Rajas and the king, they come and they sit, and they are given some task. If anyone will do that task, they get to marry Sitaji. So that's also one act. So then you have one act of Holika. When we celebrate Holi, so why do we celebrate Holi? There's a reason behind it. So there was a king and he had a sister, and the king did have a son known as Prahlad. So he used to always take name of Ram, 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 Ram. He was a very like a true bhakt of Ramji. So in that case, and the king's sister didn't like that, because the king itself was such a nice god, like they used to say like that. So the king's sister was telling the small son that, why don't you worship your dad, why are you worshipping Ramji? And one day later on, the king's sister really got very angry that this is not done. You have your father and he's such a like a nice idol. So then what she did is, she thought that she will try to kill him. So what she did is, she sat somewhere, there was a place, and she burned herself with fire, and she would not die because she has that quality inside her. And then what happened is, she had even taken Prahlad in her godi, and he was sitting. So he was just saying Ram, 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 nothing else. But that boy, he was safe and nothing happened to him, like nothing. And then later on, what happened is, so she got more furious. So then she used to try more other things कि कैसे इसको मारे, because we don't want such people who don't worship or feel that their father is a idol or a god and you should worship them. And then comes Narsimha. So there was a saying that the king and the king's sister, they both would not be killed if they are inside the house, outside the house. So it will be in the middle. So that's when Narsimha came in the form of Vishnuji. Matlab Vishnuji came in the form of Narsimha, and
So
then
these are the stories you normally have for.
yes, we do have. And then what happened is, so this is known as Uran. So that father's whole body was
Yeah,
on the thigh, and that's how he had actually like just scratched and just removed the whole body apart. So that was a bit
yeah,
of a bad thing, but then that's how
yeah.
it happened. So yeah.
So these stories are normally there when you learn all this sitting
Yeah.
and
Yes. Yes.
expressions and all.
Yeah. So then we
Lovely,
have Makhan
excellent.
Chori, and Makhan Chori is very, very, it's very dear to heart. Matlab, everyone loves it. Like how Krishna ji is nutcut, uh, and the mother, they
So
what bonding they have.
you have to select your story, or you are supposed to learn all this,
We have to learn all this. It's in the
all this.
portion, it's in the syllabus. Yes, so you have to. You don't have a
Okay.
choice over here. You have to
Oh,
learn.
is it so? Yeah, you have to learn all.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. So now, how much you have graduated in this? How many years now? You have said 6 years.
Uh, no, so
Learning
now
for how many years now?
now 7 years.
7 years. So
Yeah.
how many more years till you can think that, yeah, now I've reached somewhere? How long it will take still more?
Again, what happens is that maybe dance form or painting or my studies, whatever it is, I don't think there's a age, or there's there's some kind of a
There
level
is no
where I
end to
stop
it.
learning. There's no end to it.
Yes.
So I'm sure even if I know so much, I'll be wanting to know more about it.
When you can
So
have
yeah,
stage dance, like in Bharatnatyam, they have Arangetram. Is there
Arangetram.
something like
Yes.
that in Kathak also?
Yes, we do have. It is known as Manch Pravesh. So,
What is it?
Manch Pravesh.
Okay,
Manch
Manch Pravesh.
Pravesh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be little louder, Palak. I think people cannot
Oh,
hear
okay.
you properly.
Oh, okay, all right, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know if I could not hear you.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay, all right.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So,
Oh,
that way, Manch Pravesh. Okay,
yes, yes.
right. Good.
Yeah.
So that is done when?
So that
That
is
is
so you do have few levels and you can do, but again in Kathak it's not compulsory like you have to do Manch Pravesh. You can even do diploma, masters, and you can still like go ahead and you can do your future whatever you want to like do. Like if you want to learn more or you want to teach someone, you can always do that.
okay.
So
So
yeah,
there is
that's
no
okay.
compulsion of
No, there's no
doing this Manch
compulsion.
Pravesh.
No.
No
Yeah.
compulsion. Okay.
Yeah.
And so yeah, but now you've joined Nalanda, so it will take some more
Yeah.
years, right,
Yeah,
to
yeah, it will
get
definitely.
into it. Right. Very nice.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Lovely. But one thing, Palak, just few days back, a week or 2 weeks back, I read about you and your mother.
Oh, yes.
Something very interesting. It has come in Gujarati Midday. I don't know whether it came in the newspaper or newspaper's web portal. I think it was on the blog
The
of
blog. Yeah.
Gujarati Midday, right?
Yes, yes.
So it was something very interesting, and I want to know about it because see, from
Oh,
you, if
yeah.
I know, yeah, I think friends, all those who are there, I must tell you that Palak's mother has started going to college with Palak now because of her insistence. So she will tell us that how she has made her mother start studying again now. So just tell us, Palak, that's very interesting.
Yeah, sure. So my mother has done her 13th in commerce, but she didn't have
Huh.
much of interest that time, so she thought it's okay, it's all right.
Hmm.
And then obviously she had me, so yeah. But then what happened is I used to always observe in her that she used to like she did know what is English, how to speak, and what people are saying. But I used to feel that, Mama, if you really want to learn something, there's no age to it. You can always learn. Like, you can learn today also. I'm sure, like, there's no such problem. But it has to be inside you. You're passionate about it. If you want to do, you will do anything for that matter. So
Hmm.
then,
Hmm.
yeah. And then so when I started my degree, my first year of psychology, I thought that I'll ask my mom, Mama, do you want to join with me? We'll go together to college. That time
Hmm.
she refused, maybe because she was not in the right mindset to think about it so fast. Because I just told her, okay, Mama, like, do you want to do or not? So she was like, not right now, but maybe in the future I might pursue that. So I'm like,
Huh.
okay, as you wish. And then this year, as we have this pandemic going on, so I asked mom, Mama, right now everything is online. So do you mind joining, or like, you want to try going now? So she said yes, and I was like very happy, like when she said yes for it. Yeah. And again, so when she was maybe in 2016, she got interest in English. I don't know how come, but she just got it. And then
Hmm.
she used to go for a few classes to learn English. Like, so she knew English, but she wanted to learn more of advanced English. So that lingo, like how you talk, and like more of the language, the vocabulary and everything. So she was doing that, but then she thought that there is no point like doing that same thing again and again. So
Hmm.
she wanted to talk to people in English, and like like a much of an interactive session she was wanting to do that time. So then I asked mom, if you really want to do something like that, I think college is the best place to go, because you will get so much exposure, and trust me, it's a very nice thing at this age also. And that would obviously like match what she wanted to do. So then she thought about it, and she was like, let's do it now. So I was pretty much very excited that mom is actually doing this. And so I used to feel pehle ki mama to abhi bahut bade ho gaye hain. How can she come in college and all? Like as a child, even I used to feel कि mama आपको ऐसे, like I used to feel sometime. But then I'm like, no, it's such a good thing. And in my college, personally, ma'am, I have seen so many adult learners who come and who learn.
Okay,
For that
that's
matter,
nice.
yeah, yes. For that matter, it is psychology, sociology, economics, literature, anything, commerce ho, jo bhi ho, they do come. So that makes me feel like, wow, like at this age also you're, like you're wanting to learn something, that's a big thing. So, and mom was actually happy and she wanted to do. So she joined and now she's happy and she's
Wow.
enjoying. She's so excited. I'm like, oh, that's so wonderful.
Even
Yeah.
I did my after graduation, post graduation in
Yeah.
IPS law, that is intellectual property law,
Yeah.
just few years back, So even I went to
Yeah.
college to learn and to get myself diploma in this IIPS, intellectual property
Oh, that's
law
so
and studies.
good.
So
It's
I think
amazing.
people at any age can go to college, learn, and I think that
Agreed.
is much better to evolve you as a personality. It's very
Yeah.
important. I think I'll be talking to your mother also after a week, just
Oh,
like you are
oh,
here.
yeah. Yes,
I'm thinking of
yes.
inviting her also because she's also
Yeah.
into a lot of other things other than art craft. She has learned from me also. She was one or two
Yeah.
projects she did at Tulika Art
Yeah.
Center.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yeah.
is she around? Can we just see her for a minute
Oh,
and we
yeah, I
invite
don't
her for
mind.
the yeah, if
Oh,
she is
yeah,
around, if you can
sure.
call her. Yeah,
Yeah, sure. I don't mind. I don't mind. I'll just
yeah.
call her.
Yeah,
Just a
just call
second.
her. I hope she will come. So by the
Yeah.
time she comes, we will wait for her. But
Oh, yes.
I'm really proud of you, both of you, and I'm very
That's,
happy that you are here today.
yeah.
Because see, people should know
Yeah.
that what other people are doing in life. This is
Yes,
the
it's
way we
true.
make our society stronger. If women
That's
are
very
strong,
true. Yeah.
the society is strong,
Yeah.
isn't it? It's
Yeah,
it's
yeah, that's so
we
true.
women who are running the. I think the country is run by us.
That's very
If
true.
we are strong, we have everything. People can fall back on the family, on the wives, mothers, daughters, sisters. They are so important. They
Yeah.
make the citizens better, the men better. I always feel that.
Yeah.
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 So
Yeah.
this is what. Is she there?
Yes. Yeah, she is.
Has she come? Yeah. Hello. Can we see you? How are you? Hi.
Hi, ma'am. How are you? I think.
I'm fine. I'm inviting you.
Hello.
Now, I'm inviting you also in this program
So, yes,
after a
ma'am,
week.
definitely,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So
It's my
we will talk
privilege
about.
to.
So yeah. So we will be very happy if you come a week after. I will especially invite you to join in the
Def-
same Instagram, and we
Definitely,
will
ma'am.
talk about
Definitely.
your life, what you are doing, and what Palak is doing because of you. So, congratulations that you have evolved her in such a beautiful way. She's a very
Thank you,
beautiful,
ma'am.
nice person. So,
Very
the
true.
credit goes to
Very
you.
true. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. And it's my privilege to, come with, like, and interact with you. So, I'm really happy.
Great, great,
Yeah.
great.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So,
Just a
we are
mom.
almost,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. I'll
Yeah.
speak to Palak and I will invite you specially for this program. I will
Sure,
talk to
ma'am.
you. Yeah,
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
yeah.
Yeah, just a
So,
moment.
I'll speak to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Palak. So, I'm so happy to see her after a long time. And
Yeah.
yeah, Palak, I'm very happy about our interaction today. And you can
Yeah.
say something more. We have, I think, another about, say, about 9, 10 minutes, not more than that. So,
Oh,
because
yeah,
see,
sure.
sometimes it just gets interrupted.
Yeah.
Instagram will stop. So, I should be little more
Yeah.
cautious about it. So,
Yeah, yeah.
can you tell me more about now what will be, what is your experience today? You enjoyed today's program?
Oh, I thoroughly enjoyed this program and it was so good to talk with you. it's very nice. I really enjoyed. Yeah, it was a good
And
talk. Yeah.
I'll be posting once again your clips of your dance, because now when
Oh
people have
yeah.
seen you, they would definitely like to see, because of our Instagram page and
Yeah.
even Facebook. I'll be posting your that clip what you have sent me.
Yeah.
It is so graceful, Palak. I just want to see it again and again. I'm sure people will like it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And
It means a lot.
yeah, what else you want to do in life? More like, what is your future plan?
Oh, well, so I want to mostly go for clinical psychology in the future.
Okay,
Yes. And well, dancing, painting, that will always be with me together. And one more thing, I do love trekking a lot. So
trekking.
nature is,
Wow.
yes, yes. So
So
I'm really
yeah.
fond of nature. Yeah. So
So
maybe last year I
what
had
did
gone for a trek. Yeah,
did
yeah.
you go last year?
Yeah, I did go.
And what did you do in the lockdown all these months?
Oh, in the lockdown, I was cooking. That's it. Yeah, so I
No
cooked a
trekking at
lot of
all.
things. No, no.
Naturally, yeah. Trekking only in
Yeah,
your
yeah.
building, I think. You can keep going
Not
up
even
and down.
that. Not
Not
even
even that.
that. No, no, no.
Okay.
Yeah,
So, but
yeah.
the days were okay, or the lockdown period?
Yeah, yeah. It was pretty good. Yeah, it was smooth enough. And yeah, it was a bit relaxing, but now I just want that, like college will start or something like that, because now too much of
Hmm.
lockdown has happened.
Yeah.
So
So it
yeah.
has opened up, but now you're still, colleges are not working, right?
Yeah, no, no, yeah. So
Right.
right
Yeah.
now we are having like we are actually having online classes, so we don't
Okay.
have to go to college right now.
Okay.
So
But so online classes are every day?
yeah, yeah, every day. Yeah,
Okay.
yes,
So that
every day.
story goes on for the children and the adults and all school children,
Everyone,
college
everyone.
students,
Yeah, yes.
but no exam, luckily.
Uh, I'm not sure about that now. Maybe we might have, maybe the syllabus, like the way of taking exams will change, but I'm sure exams should be held now, because
Okay.
it's my last year, so I'm sure in the final year, no one will, like just promote me like that.
Yeah, it will be
That's
postponed
what
for
I
some
feel, but
months.
again, yeah, I'm not sure about it.
Right.
So
Great,
yeah,
great.
yeah.
It was wonderful talking to you, Palak. And
Same here,
all
ma'am.
those joined, your friends and everybody, you can say hello to them and bye to them both ways, because some people have
Yes.
joined now. I'm not
Yeah.
sure who are they. I have your friends maybe, or
Yeah.
someone you know, and they've just joined, but we have come to almost end of our program.
Yes.
And I wish you all very best.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
wish you the success in life, and we keep meeting. When we
Sure.
have
Yeah.
workshops, do join us. Now we are online. We also have
Yes,
online
ma'am.
workshops.
Oh, that's
So
so
I'm expect
lovely. Yeah.
so I'm expecting you to join also
Yes,
someday.
yes. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So it will be great to keep connect with you. And this
Yeah.
is Tulika Art Center Connect with Student and Teacher. It was wonderful. So we will
Yes,
end
ma'am.
your program now. And
Yeah,
best
sure.
wishes. Thank you everybody for joining. This will be available on IGTV. You can always see this again. And we will try to upload it on YouTube, because there is our student Payal who normally does it. Hope she will also upload this on YouTube. But IGTV, it will be available. So you can watch it again. All right. Bye, Pala. Thank you.
Bye,
We are
ma'am.
ending
Thank
it
you so
now.
much. Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.